red light, stop right there. Freeze like a statue, stand with care. La 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 la, standing tall, don't you move, no not at all. Green light, now you go. Jump, skip, dance, or move real slow. La 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 la, wave your hands, spin around or make a dance. Remember, red means stop, green means skip and hop, hop. Purple light, time to move. Twirl and wiggle, find your groove. La 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 la, jumping high, clap your hands up to the sky. Orange light, stop so quick. Hold your pose, now freeze and stick. La 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 la, hold it still. Show your balance, show your skill. Remember, orange means stop, purple means skip and hop. Blue light, move around. March your feet and touch the ground. La 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 la, step and hop. Keep on moving, never stop. Pink light, time to freeze. Don't you wiggle, hold it please. La 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 la, frozen tight. Stay so still, you've got it right. Remember, pink means stop, blue means skip and hop. Now we know all the colors today. Let's play the game. Hear what I say. Red, green, purple, orange, too. Blue and pink, what will you do? Listen closely, hear my cue. Are you stopping or moving too? Red light, la 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 la. Let's hope you stop. Blue light, la 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 la. Let's see your moves. Pink light, la 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 la. Were you frozen time tight? Green light, la 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 la. Show me how you go. Purple light, la 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 la. Are you dancing now? Orange light, la 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 la. Did you hold your pose? Let's try it again for fun. Red, pink, purple, green, orange, and blue. What does it mean? Let's try again, quick and bright. Are you ready to get it right? Red light, la 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 la. Let's hope you start. Blue light, la 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 la. Let's see your moves. Pink light, la 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 la. Were you frozen tight? Green light, la 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 la. Show me how you go. Purple light, la 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 la. Are you dancing now? Orange light, la 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 la. Did you hold your pose? Red, pink, purple, green, orange, and blue. What does it mean? Colors and actions, a game so fun. You've mastered them all. Well done, everyone.